Oh, hell no.
I'm about to start squeezing, yo. You better not try to run either, yo.
Stop, the police is right there.
I don't give a fuck about no police, yo.
I didn't do nothing to you.
What the fuck? Oh my god, oh my fucking god. Bro, are they like really bullying this Meg out the game?
It's illegal to be this motherfucking man.
They're really bullying this fucking poor Meg. Why? Thank you. Fucking asshole. Will you use like some of it? Keep the resilience. Okay. Because I'm smart. Oh. Oh my god! Please let me go!
Girl down.
Dr. Ziegler.